We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we are going to decode the syllabus for SSC CPO exams. Now let's see the scheme of the examination. What does SSC CPO consist of? How many parts? They are paper 1, paper 2, physical standard test, physical endurance test and detailed medical examination. What does paper 1 has? Paper 1 has 4 parts, that is part 1, that is reasoning, general intelligence and reasoning. Part 2 has general knowledge and general awareness. Part 3 has quantitative aptitude and part 4 has English comprehension. All the questions will have 1 marks each and we will have 50 questions for 50 marks and the time given will be 2 hours. Not 2 hours for each part but in total 2 hours. For all these 4 parts we will get 2 hours to solve 200 questions consisting of 200 marks. As you can see here, number of questions and maximum marks. 50 questions with 50 marks, that is 1 question 1 marks. Paper 2 has English language and comprehension with 200 questions and 200 marks. The time duration we are given is 2 hours. It is always advisable to read it completely, but let me give you a summed up details with important points like paper 1, paper 2 where all the parts will contain negative marking of 0.25, that is 1/4 negative marking. There is a normalization that's going to be, and after the release of the answer key by the commission, if you want to raise for a wrong question, then per representation will cost 100 rupees per question. And yeah, if you have a NCC certificate, then it's a bonus point for you as you will be getting marks as per your NCC schemes. Like if you have NCC C certificate, you will be given 5% of the maximum marks up to 10 marks. If you are having NCC B certificate, you will be getting 3% of the maximum marks, that is 6 marks. And if you have NCC A certificate, you will be getting 2% of the maximum marks, that is up to 4 marks. Now let's go to the detailed syllabus, like what are the topics we need to cover, what are important topics. General intelligence and reasoning. Okay, reasoning will have both verbal and non-verbal types like it's mentioned here. What is verbal? 1, where you don't have images, you have a question. You get a question like arithmetic number series or syllogism, analogy. But when there is non-verbal, you have something with pictures like image folding and etc. Now let's see what the question include. These are analogies, similarities, differences, space visualization, spatial orientation, problem solving, analysis, judgment, decision making, visual memory, discrimination. I am just reading it out one by one. Please go through this in the notice. Write all the topics, see all the type of question each topic contains and practice it. Make sure you keep your concept clear, as concept and practice are the 2 key for the success. So, observation, relationship concept, arithmetical reasoning, figural configuration, arithmetic number series, non-verbal series contains like coding and decoding, statement conclusion, syllogistic reasoning, etc. The topics are also semantic analogy, symbolic number analogy, figural analogy, semantic classification, symbolic and number classification, figural classification, semantic series, number series, figural series, problem solving, word building, coding, decoding, numerical operation, symbolic operation trend, space orientation, space visualization, Venn diagram, drawing, inferences, punched hole, that is pattern folding or unfolding, figural pattern folding and complexions, indexing, address matching, date and city matching, classification of center code, roll number, small and capital letter or number coding, decoding and classification, embedded figures, critical thinking, emotional thinking, social intelligence, etc. So I repeat, make sure you go through each type of question that is mentioned here and clear your concept and keep practicing. Now let's see what do we have in general knowledge and general awareness. Okay, what does they do? They test your basic general knowledge. Make sure you read all the current affairs from last 6 months. Last 6 months is must, and even all the longest, largest, everything. Keep all the capital currencies, everything clear. Let's see what it says. Questions in this component will be aimed at testing the candidate's general awareness of the environment around him or her and its application to society. Questions will also be designed to test knowledge of current event and of such matter of everyday observation experience in their scientific aspects as may be expected of any educated person. The test will also include questions relating to India and its neighboring country, especially pertaining to history, culture, geography, economic scene, general polity, Indian constitution, scientific research, etc. So keep all the articles ready and see what are the articles used in this current affairs. So generally they ask question relating to that, like article 370, what are the clauses of 370, what is abolition, article 15, what is it, and everything. Now let's see aptitude, that is quantitative aptitude. They contain all the maths question, and let's see, I'm again for this, even the same logic applies. The concept and practice are main. Write all the points, all the topics that is given here. See all the type of question each topic contains and practice them. So let's see what does this have. It has whole number, decimal, fractions, relationship between number, percentage, ratio and proportion, square roots, averages, interest, profit and loss, discount, partnership business, mixture, allegation, time and distance, time and work, basic algebraic identities of school algebra and elementary search, graph of linear equation. You also need to do geometry, mensuration and trigonometry, as this also has triangle and its various kind of center, congruence and similarity of triangle, circle, its curve, tangent, angle subtended by curves of circle, common tangent or two or more circle, triangle, quadrilateral, regular polygon, circle, right prism, right circular cone, right circular cylinder, sphere, hemisphere, rectangular, parallel piped, regular right prism with triangular or square base, trigonometric ratio, degree, radian measure, standard identities, complementary angle, height, distance, histogram, frequency, polygon, bar diagram and pie chart. Now the part 4, that is English comprehension. What is this? This is for testing the ability to understand correct English and even the comprehension and writing ability of the candidate. Now paper 2, which contain 200 questions of 200 marks on the topic English language and comprehension. What does this has? Like the topic you must know is error recognition, filling in the blanks, using verb, preposition, article, etc., vocabulary, spellings, grammar, sentence structure, synonyms, antonyms, sentence correction, phrases, idiomatic uses of words and comprehension and etc. Like all the topics that is in English language we need to cover. So we also has physical standard test or physical endurance test, that is what is the expected height or the minimum height. It can be 170 centimeter or more, but not less than that. Like we can see for male candidate, the minimum height requirement is given 170 centimeter, as this is given in centimeters, and the unexpanded chest size in centimeters should be 80 and the expanded should be 85. But there are two exceptions that is given in 2 and 3, that is for the people belonging to a certain area, that is given here, and the one belonging to scheduled tribe. Similarly, for female candidate, the minimum height requirement is 157 centimeter, and even they have some exception, like the female belonging to hilly areas and the one belonging to scheduled tribe, that is given here respectively. So hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also have all the previous year paper of SSC exams like SSC CGL, CHSL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box below. And if you have any doubt regarding it, please comment below. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Thank you.